You haven't seen. You haven't seen. You haven't seen it from the front. Wait. You haven't seen it from the front. You haven't seen. You have no.
Take it.
Take it then.
Good boy.
Good boy. I told them to dinner. Go on then. Take it. Go on.
That place that thing that told us to take it
Near near opposite
to. Yeah, that place
yeah.
that we bought these sinks and stuff from.
Yeah. Okay, then kêu gì rồi?
What are you doing?
It's
Am I going swimming?
yeah, bells. You keep getting in the way. She seems to have the upper hand all the time.
More persistent, you see. She's more persistent.
條線好啲，一條線雪。He goes under, tries to get underneath.
She do tease him though. See, come down.
I don't think he's just. I don't know whether he's just giving in. He's not as strong as her. Look, he just no, he叻，佢咩唔叫叻？ he hasn't exerted it yet. I think he's very submissive.
Yeah. Like when Jamie starts to play, she's like this. Oh.
Yeah. He's very submissive. Aww, he's giving up. Are you giving up, boy? Hey?
Tired.
Are you giving up?
Go on, take it. Go on, That's typical Staffy. You know, when you give her encouragement, she, you know, even though she's tired, she still give it 110%.
What are you doing? Oh, he wants